Hi, I'm Curtis Boyd and today we're going to be talking about how to retain your online reputation. So, what is online reputation management? It's essentially managing the way that people think of you on social media. What does this mean for you? Well, it means that if someone sees a negative article about your company, they might not give you their business in the future or they'll tell all their friends about it. A lot of companies are very concerned with retaining their good name because there are so many potential consumers out there who will hear these things from other sources and start fearing your brand. How do we combat this? Well, by taking a proactive approach to our online presence. Let's face it, online reviews are essential to the success of your business. A great reputation can bring you more clients while a bad reputation could cause people to avoid doing business with you out of fear or distrust. With that in mind, how do you make sure that every potential customer sees only positive reviews about your company? Online reputation management is one of the most important tasks any business owner needs to perform in this digital age. In today's world, it's more important than ever for you to have a positive online presence before searching potential clients and customers. The tone should be lighthearted but also informative and interesting enough so people will actually read further into the body paragraph. A bad review can cause potential customers to click away from your website, and even leave negative reviews on platforms like Yelp. Online reviews are of growing importance in shaping consumer opinions. As a business owner, you should be paying attention to the things your customers are saying about you online. Objection.co is a revolutionary new way to manage your online reputation and boost your marketing efforts by removing damaging illegitimate content from the internet's top search engines and social media sites. Using Objection's powerful suite of tools, you can easily identify your illegitimate reviews and dispute them promptly. Visit Objection.co to learn more.